8 Fish You Should Never Eat. Fish is a fantastic source of healthy omega-3s, protein, and essential nutrients. It can be the key to a happy heart and a well-oiled body. But before you take a bite, there's something crucial you need to know: not all fish are created equal. Choosing the wrong fish can do more harm than good. Today, we'll dive into 8 fish you should never eat and highlight some of the best options. Let's get started. Number 8. Farmed salmon. Farmed salmon is often promoted as a healthy choice, but it comes with significant drawbacks. Farmed salmon can contain high levels of contaminants, such as polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, and dioxins. These toxins can cause cancer and other health problems. Farmed salmon are also given antibiotics to prevent disease in crowded conditions, contributing to antibiotic resistance. Opt for wild-caught salmon, which is higher in omega-3s and lower in contaminants. Number 7. Tilapia. Tilapia is a popular fish in the United States, but there's a key reason to think twice about eating it: its omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. While both fatty acids are essential, too much omega-6 and not enough omega-3 can lead to inflammation, high blood pressure, and increased heart disease risk. Tilapia has one of the worst ratios of any fish. Even more concerning, imported tilapia often fails to meet safety standards. The US FDA has flagged several exporters for sending tilapia with harmful chemicals and antibiotics. These can lead to antibiotic resistance, a growing health problem. So next time you consider tilapia, think again and choose one of the healthier options we'll discuss later. Number 6. King mackerel. Unlike other types of mackerel, king mackerel should be avoided due to its high mercury levels. Mercury is a toxic metal that can cause neurological damage, kidney problems, and developmental delays in children. As a top predator, king mackerel accumulates more toxins over time. Opt instead for Atlantic or Atka mackerel, which are lower in mercury and higher in omega-3s. Number 5. Orange roughy. Also known as slimehead, orange roughy can live up to 150 years. This means they accumulate toxins like mercury, arsenic, cadmium, and lead over a long period. These toxins can cause inflammation, fatigue, brain fog, and heart disease. Moreover, orange roughy is overfished, which disrupts ocean ecosystems. Numbers 4, 3, and 2, swordfish, shark, and tilefish. These fish are known for their high mercury levels due to their long lifespan and predatory nature. Mercury poisoning is linked to increased cardiovascular disease, immune dysfunction, and endocrine disruption. Interestingly, the Mediterranean basin has some of the highest mercury levels in fish, yet it's home to Sardinia, one of the world's 5 blue zones where people live the longest. Sardinians eat smaller fish like sardines, anchovies, and cod, which have lower mercury levels. Number 1. Eel. Eel might seem like a delicacy, especially in sushi, but it's not a great idea. Eels absorb many toxins from their environment. Studies have found eels contaminated with toxic dyes, cadmium, flame retardants, and plasticizers. Eating eel can lead to health problems like soft bones, kidney failure, and heavy metal poisoning. Additionally, many eel species are endangered due to overfishing and habitat destruction. So, there you have it, 8 kinds of fish to avoid and some healthy alternatives. Remember, stick to low-contaminant wild-caught fish like sardines, anchovies, cod, and trout, and be careful with tuna. We hope you found this video useful. Like this video and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and have a happy, heart-healthy day.